I'm gonna film this. It's called the Lighthouse, and gonna walk. It's like a condo up there that's attached to this, I think. It's kind of interesting too. The Lighthouse. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And this is kind of an interesting spot too. This is also on the other side of Bangkok. It's part of Bangkok, but it's across this big river that divides it. And this side is a little bit more mellow. I like both sides, but this one I've been kind of looking at because it looks like there's some condos and foreigners can buy condos, so it might be like not an entry, but like, I don't know, just exploring neighborhoods basically, with the idea of possibly trying to get a condo somewhere. I have to educate myself quite a bit more about that. Got a lot of cool food stands in here. And then over up on this other side is the mall. We're gonna walk by that. Yesterday I went into the mall. It's about the same time as today, but Lighthouse milk tea. Huh. Good times. Good times spelled with a THYMES. Nice and creative. So I'm kind of walking north in the general direction of this particular street. Nice temple. Oh, Sun Tao. Okay. There's a temple here. I think yesterday I filmed in here a little bit, just briefly, Watsuan. But I'm going to be walking kind of in the same way as yesterday as well. Watsuan Temple.
เขาวิ่งหนีอะค่ะมันทนไม่ไหวแล้วแผลมันเต็มหลังอะค่ะวิ่งหนีออกจากบ้านเดินร้องไห้ไปเรื่อยๆถนนที่เขา
Hey. Good street food around here too. Yeah, basically one of the things that I'm trying to do is every human being only has so many working years left in life. And in that time period you have to figure out, what are you going to do when you're not working anymore, when you can no longer work. So you have to plan that. So they're doing some construction right there. I think they're building another train line, I think. Looks like it anyways. Could be a highway too though. But I think they're building a train line that's going to go right to the station, right to this big mall. I filmed this yesterday. Yeah, I think a station is going to be built right at this mall. This mall is Iconsiam, and it's a pretty cool space. I also filmed this one, this daydream thing on the corner. Really like that. Hongkong. Nice buckeries up there too. Okay. So we have this river right here. Pretty cool artwork. Iconsiam. So last time I tried to get across and I did, and then I just ended up filming in there the whole time because it's such a cool spot. Okay, here's the station they're building. Someday somebody's going to view this and like, man, somebody was walking by here before there was even a station and filmed it. Yep. Probably other people filmed it, you know, well before and you wouldn't even recognize it, right? So this would be actually a way to recognize it. But I'm just going to keep on walking. I'm trying to keep all my videos under 7 or 8 minutes, so I won't go for too long. And I think we might actually be ending this pretty soon because we're going to walk by a stretch of everyday dining, everyday working. Iconsiam. If you go inside, it's really beautiful. But my goal is not to go in there right now. I just want to walk up the street and see what else is on the other side. Hilton Garden Inn, they're going to build a big hotel here too. So they're doing all the construction right now. It's like work must have just finished because I'm seeing a lot of people in orange. But I assume our construction workers. Alright. So I'm gonna end this one right about here, I guess.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.